again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Yanique, you ready? Alright, let's do this.
Or if it's lit next.
It's fine. It's expected that it's not gonna be the best. Kingston! Oh my gosh, we are on an elevator. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Yankee. Right. Alright, so if you know us, you know we love fish. So, yeah, hold on. Fish, alright, fish name again? Pastry Passions. Alright, so I don't know what it's going to be like, but let's see. The menus are pretty cool. If you're a fish lover. I have a love-hate relationship with fish, but the fish I order does not have bones, so should be fine, right?
Yeah. I've had their steamed fish before, and their steamed fish is good. It's good, and I think it's reasonable for the price because it's like $1,400 or something, $1,450 or $1,400. So I think that is pretty reasonable for the size fish that you get as well. Yeah, I get my potato and carrots and then something like in there. I don't remember if okra was in there, but you know.
And the option that you got for your sandwich.
And then my crispy fish sandwich, they have the option for esco, to make it esco. The receipts are pickle alone, they add for $35 additional, which is not disclosed on the menu board. But let's see by the time we buy it into it. I don't even know.
How was it?
Okay.
How was it?
I was what?
The food.
I had maybe half of a famous bowl. Yeah, one original famous bowl, fries, and drinks. I was what?
It.
Guys, we promise you, we've already done it before.
Okay.
And I feel like that's not what he's talking about. I don't know what he's talking about.
Fish pot. Fish pot. Wait a minute.
You can't see it. It's behind the
Fish pot. It's not bad.
You gotta show him,
It
man.
just not slap you.
You gotta show
And
him.
I
I don't know what
It
the
not slap.
difference will be, if anything.
it's alright. Not complaining. It just not slap. Okay, bye. Oh yeah. We did not see that this place was open, or we would have gone.
What are you doing? Video.
You're welcome. Portmore life. Been a while. So, ready to tell them why we're moving to Portmore?
They run me out.
Pretty much running out of Mobay.
Them legit.
So you guys can no longer stay in Montego Bay. We have too many fans. Particularly me. So, alright, cool. We're not moving to Portmore. It's just, came to do something. We did it.
Yeah, I got to meet some people for the first. Well, I got to meet somebody for the first time.
Yeah. They want to say that early because my record when they have chat. And I don't know what that was. But yeah, we're just here for one night. And then a little something tomorrow for the lady.
And then what?
Kinda. A little something tomorrow for you. And then back to what is now home.
It's gonna be my birthday. Ooh.
I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I know we didn't record a lot of the journey or whatever, but you know, we're doing something. What you know about Tata Boss? Sorry.
That wasn't a bottle. Ooh, flowers. And I see one I want back to, you know.
Alright, we're off to a little. Do we call it a picnic?
I don't know. He calls it a picnic. I don't know what this gentleman is calling it.
Listen, we just I got one place
Wait, no,
to try
man.
something.
The GPS just loud and strong. Don't judge me having KFC so early. Having a famous bowl.
So the one good thing about KFC have.
We had the crunch. The crunch not bad. But of course, you know, for $600 it's small. Like it's literally this is the length.
So if I can buy 4 the crunch and fuse them. Marvelous.
That's how much? That's $2,400.
It always amazes me to see those houses up there. So they're on Mandela Highway now, people looking up in the hills and some gigantanormous houses up here. That's a word.
You know, me know I like in Stony. I said, I wish I hear the country people. They said we're not from here.
And we don't frequent here.
Okay. Look man. Size of the highway.
Massive.
Orange style.
Oh, Fesco station. Whoa, what is that?
Yes. No, that's tasty. That's a dome looking tasty. What the heck is that?
I know the sound country. I'm sorry. I was just prepping for that.
And then you press back yes before you go over it.
Yeah. I needed to cut my speed just a little bit.
3 accents in one, yeah?
Morning. And she's the empress of all empresses is stuck in the car. Not sure why she's not coming out yet. Grace us with your presence, oh royal one. Grace us with your presence. Come on, show off the fit. Show off the fit. Show off the fit. Show off the fit.
Who is us?
Hmm? Us is we. Tell P and say your birthday.
Age, pain, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my
Go on, what? Go on, so.
No, man. Come
Say
on.
people them can't see the how to fit. Come now, say people them can't see the how to fit. In our wedding colors, I don't even know if you realize.
Oh my gosh, we're not posted all of these videos. Alright, where are we going?
We're, yeah, in the court. Alright, so we are in this place. Come on us. Well, this is.
Seats are here.
Yeah, this is the area that was like I had a lot of grass and stuff. Yeah, they made it seem like it was a whole lot. This is nice. I like this. Yeah, the trees are still here. The seating area is nice. Probably, but there's still
But at the end of the
you
day,
still
you
have the
can
grass
still
areas
sit on the
outside that you
on the
can.
outskirts, but I guess
Yeah.
persons felt more secure or preferred the north.
I love that they have these things that like that's a banana tree over there with near on it. Yeah. It's a nice little place. It always has been. What? Okay, I know what party I'm getting today. But yeah. Again, guys, as you know, we love pastry. Good morning. We love pastry. And once pastry are one place, we'll find we'll find the pastries. But what we really came here for.
You're watching me fighting for my life.
Alright, so we got goodies. You got what did we get again? You got the curry goat patty and wait, that was it for you. You got the curry goat patty and a thingy for me.
What is this?
I don't know, but it just looks good, so I just got it.
It smells like cinnamon.
So it's
like
the
a cinnamon
barbecue
roll, cinnamon roll, something.
pork
something.
patty.
Almond cinnamon roll.
And for those who have never had patty from here, this is pretty much what it looks like.
Do we call it patty though?
They call it patty, so it's a patty. Anyway, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Don't mind nothing wrong. You want big man?
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh wow.
You need to taste this. You definitely need to taste this. Take a bite, man. Take a bite.
You took a one night time. Are you okay with me getting this try? Barbecue.
You get me?
First thing. Big dinner.
So good. But yeah, the patty. Is it focusing? It's not even focusing. iPhone.
Happy.
It's fine. But yeah, man, if you come to the Vanos, you can just don't come for the ice cream only or the lawn or whatever. You have to try this out. So good. Not me, you see that right there? That says DHB2. I'm here trying to figure out what does DH mean. DHB.
So
Devon House Bakery.
Well, you could have figured it out.
I don't know, people them place now. That's what I like. Come that one day if you need to hold the door for me.
Oh, I thought, why did I think the cup was clear?
Thank you very much.
So people, me a freak out. This is my very least favorite part. Oh, this I can't hear me talk. Oh my gosh, yeah, I forgot to press button. No, go back in, please. Guys, it's my least favorite. My least. Guys, with a palm out, Rasa.
So
Guys,
what
with
it
a palm out, Rasa.
is that while the toll is short and all of that,
He loves the scenic roads.
I've always loved the scenic route. So we drive the toll come at all.
Yeah.
But I always go and take the scenic route to go back because I just love the views. My windows are down. My windows are never down. Windows. Love the views, some of the houses that you get to see, some of the things that you get to see when you take this road. Plus we're gonna go through Ferngully as well, so hey.
Listen to me now. Listen. With a back of one truck. And best believe me, if you say Renouy, don't go so close to the truck. The truck is loaded. It's loaded with flipping sand. And we have to go uphill. No. You don't watch cartoon or movie and you just have to things that happen like, you know, like.
Listen, there's a generation of people who a movie mash up them brain. And that set of movies, as a matter of fact, is called Final Destination.
Oh jeez. Now why did you say that? That makes me feel no better. That makes me feel no better.
You ready to get some coconut? No, better yet. You ready to get some
Get
jelly? What is it?
Coconut.
Eh?
You get coconut, you get coconut water.
Eh, coconut jelly.
The jelly after.
Coconut jelly.
Yes, but you don't buy
Coconut jelly.
You buy
Coconut jelly.
Okay.
Give me? Again? Leave it again. Yeah, man. I want the next one too. Whenever I go to town and I come back, I always stop us up.
Let's see if your mouth will leak again. Some piece up on the shirt.
My mouth did a leak.
A woman will leak.
That did a leak.
Yeah, man. Let's not take it up. I can just put it on. Thanks. And his mouth leaks no more. Let's say, wash off your heart. Clean heart people, eh?
Woo!
Clean heart people. Okay.
Yeah, man. Alright, so we literally just talk about the fact that we don't really have a whole lot of fruits and stuff in our diet, and we probably need to get some supplements. And yeah, we just get the coconut and some banana.
Let's do.
Might as well. It's like,
Coconut water, wash off your heart? Yeah.
but yeah, I mean, everybody understand this. Like, if we go supermarket, not supermarket, if we go market nowadays,
It's not even just market alone.
Expensive.
The shop is expensive.
so
So listen,
certain
if
things what we
you
normally buy.
plant your own food, kudos to you because you're winning right now. Okay, you're winning.
Yeah. Anyways, we're joining and done. We just actually decided that we end up going to do some additional traveling. So, good. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear. There's yeah. Woolly breeze, but I pretty much made it back, yeah. Pretty much made it back to Mobay. We're out by
Lilliput
Yeah.
area.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.
That's it.
Bye.
That's it. yes, guys, thank you for sticking and staying. We're back in one piece. We are grateful. Grateful, grateful, grateful. I keep looking there because I'm looking at myself, but I should really be looking here to look at you guys. But yes, we are forever grateful for your support. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed just yet. Hopefully you can hear me clearly because the breeze just keep breezing right now. But yeah, thank you for tuning in to Fun with Yan and Ray. Bye!
Alright, so I know we ended the video just now, but we came to Treats to look for Michelle. We haven't seen Michelle in a while, and you know, we got a little birthday thingy and then live for the sweet moments. You guys, Treats is a treat. We've said this before.
Yes.
Treat is a treat. This is a sweet bread. This is tradition. Is a Trinidad thing? Or it's a Trinidadian thing. And then we have. Do you remember the name of the things that are in here?
I don't know. I think this is chicken pot pie. This is a red velvet cookie, and this is some strawberry mousse. I have no idea what that one is.
Yeah, but
lasagna.
Yeah.
That's lasagna.
So second ending of the video. Thank you, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and kick us in the back to continue creating and posting because we've fallen off a lot. It's kind of, we talk about it.
I don't know if it's really falling off. As I had stated, I think I had said it earlier. It's really about balancing things. You know,
but there
wanting
is
to
also
live in the moment.
Maintain it. The fact say, I know we not grow as fast as we expected. And
because people are watching the video and sharing and subscribe.
Correct. And mainly the house reviews. Like we reach out to people and stuff for house reviews and thing, and you know nothing. So that is kind of.
And I think you know in life, just using that as well as a stepping stone. We have to use this as a stepping stone. We have to use it as a learning curve, you know, so to speak, where we just know that not everything that we want will come when we want it or even come at all.
True.
We have to learn how to pivot. We have to learn how to be, you know, kind of flexible and do our thing. So this is us just saying we're back. Of course, we're going to be working on consistency. Hopefully we can be. I don't want to commit. I don't want us to put a number to it right now to how often we will be posting and all of that. But we'll definitely be trying to do as much things as possible and posting as much as possible, keeping you guys in the loop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Bye guys.
Have a blessed day.
Bye.
You go some, me go some.